All right, we are about to roll. What you say? I feel the for Seba. What you say? A cheddar, a dupem. Relax. The them, they did good because the yet is up to happen. What you say?
Good.
They did good. They feel okay. Judge them, they did good because they have a kind. Narita. For someone, aka the virus, the maker of comfort quality. They did good. They did good. But
as you can see now, you should see epic. Epic. Like I found out here.
Yeah.
When you know it's in what's it? When you know it's in a daddy hopefully, and I can bring a junior.
Oh, Nigeria,
Davido,
so oh, factor Davido, so what up, Davido, so yeah, in fact, at least Abbaseti, so those, Bocho, I will name Davido, no one is general.
I'm a pay a ton of video across my nation.
Anyway, when Uncle Togo Pass, when Uncle Togo Pass, one who cross over Chesney, I know they are going to try to power. Somewhere that's our church, PM Channel. I don't know, crown assistant. I was said, but the chief. And then we be trying to be cow, I was for study at Tiano, all work and no play, make Jack a dog boy, yeah? When I'm in your market can't come womb cracker and check a beca jagum, because I'm near Stadium D. Kaka and Koswa, subscribe to Comfort Colleague Vlog. What I say, the Bawum, the Abawum, the Yansa, let me mature, you know. All the youth tar or Comfort Colleague. What I say, I am Boson Vim Studio GH.
And the one who I never walk.
Our lovely sister is here. In fact, oh, you're too much. As a comfort secretary. They say, a comfort secretary. They say, that comfort will go on a match. All right, the show is about to begin. So, you need a freestyle.
Yeah.
That's right.
Tiano Nantus. And I always saw bet.
That is the trademark.
Yeah.
Now, can you good.
They feel okay. They did good. I feel okay. They did good and feel okay. PM you bag it for and quiet. In from. In cassette. You try cassette. I was opening 4 minutes here.